Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how boolean behaves. Okay, when we are taking any expression, how boolean returns its value in the form of true or false. Let's see through programs. Okay, suppose there is an expression called print. Within print there is a 10 equal to 10. What is it is going to be written? See, let's what is going to be written this particular expression inside the print. So you have to take that different you have if you have to declare x equal to 10, that is also fine. I will directly take in inside the print. Okay, it returns you true. So next, suppose x equal to 10 greater than 9. So what is going to be written? Print x. Okay, so if you go for it, then see, it is also true. Then another, x is equal to 10 less than 9. Print x. What is going to be written here? That is going to be false. Okay, so here true and false, it comes out from this particular expression. Okay, so here in the upcoming time we also learn how these operators are going to be work. Upcoming videos you also see the operators are going to be work. But in boolean, the true and the false, the most important return values by if the statement is true, it is going to be returned true. If the statement is false, it is going to be returned false. And the boolean value, the return in Python, true and false. These are the constants and the keywords which are used in Python, true and false. The true is the beginning character of that particular word is capital, and false, the beginning character is also capital. Understood? So how it is going to be work? Bool pie. Then next, so in this case, if I go for any conditional statement like if 10 greater than 9, then condition. Okay, then condition, if this is true, then here print 10 is greater than 9, else colon print then 10 is not greater than 9. That's it. Okay, so when you going to run it this code, the statements inside 10 is greater than 9. So here a is written here, so I remove it, then r10 1. So when I run it, it returns 10 is greater than 9. So what is the meaning here? Here, when the if condition is comes out a true, okay, when if condition comes out a true, then this statement is going to be executed. You already have a learned programming languages like C, C++, how if going to be work there. The same concept, same technique process is also working in Python, but syntactically there is a defining here is different. If you write if in this way, and if you write within the bracket also, it is allowed. Okay, I show you, but upcoming time I also make a video on this topic. 10 greater than 9. Okay, then print 10 is greater than 9. Okay, if yes, then it is going to be print yes. Yes, that's it. I am not going to write else because I have to show you I can write within the bracket also. Fine. So this is the way how boolean values are going to be print or written. Most of the cases it is going to be written in the true case. If it is going to be false inside the expression, what is your expression? If your expression is returns the true, then true. If your expression is returns false, it returns false. Okay, so this is the way how boolean is going to be work. Upcoming videos I also show you how bool function is going to be return you only true case. Okay, how bool function is going to be written on true case. So let's see how it is going to be work in upcoming videos. So that's it. If you have any doubt inside this particular bool boolean value, how it is going to be written, true and false statement, you go through the comment box, type there. Please like and share this video, click on the subscribe button and click also bell icon. When I am uploading any future videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you.